City of Napa is redesigning some of our busiest streets, like Browns Valley Road, to make them safer for everyone. Whether you're walking, biking, or driving, these improvements are all about reducing crashes and creating a smoother, safer experience.
These updates are part of Napa's local roadway safety plan, a citywide effort to make our streets safer through smart design. Browns Valley Road was identified as a priority because of its history of crashes and speeding. The redesign focuses on slowing traffic and improving visibility for everyone who shares the road.
Traffic lanes are now slightly narrower, 10 and 11 feet wide instead of 12. That simple change encourages drivers to slow down, helping prevent serious collisions. Parking lanes now include no parking zones near driveways, giving drivers clearer sight lines when entering traffic. Traditional bike lanes can feel too close to moving vehicles for comfort, so we've added separated bike lanes, creating more distance between cars and cyclists, making the ride safer and more comfortable for bikers of all ages and abilities.
You'll also notice floating parking lanes. That means cars can park a few feet away from the curb, with the bike lane running between parked cars and the sidewalk. At intersections, new bike boxes give cyclists a safe, visible place to wait at red lights.
The city will continue monitoring speeds and collisions to measure progress and plan future improvements. Together, we're making Napa streets safer for everyone.